On the Lowry sled, Ron Cromer. And Todd's going to take off as well. Here he comes. I got a good hook there. 291.06, 291.06. For many, many years.
Aaron Littler, you need to weigh out. Aaron Littler isn't in the 17,000-pound class. You need to weigh out. Okay, here comes Barrett. He's got a fire underneath the big red machine. He's got a green light. He's got a green flag. Here he comes.
Again, 14 miles an hour. He goes 318, 82. Your new leader, 318.82. Good job. All right, Dave, your winner. Too fast. Got a point and no return right there. Get the trip to the Dairy Queen.
Yeah, but it looked good. It looked cool. All smooth down, packed down. Get the track crew out of the way, and we should be about ready to go with Mr. Hoffman.
He goes 3:11.52. 3:11.52. Stayed under the mile per hour.
Yeah, pretty good timing on that one. He was up there about 13 points long night. The big bull with the big 12 as well.
All right, here you go with Delmer Draper on the 63rd. Out of Laguna, Indiana. Tractor won the first class. They're about our class. Different driver. See what Delmer's got tonight for us.
Marlowe sort of bucked him around there a little bit there toward the end, kind of back and forth.
He goes 3:04.64. 3:04.64. Stayed below the 14.
Between him and first place right now.
Yeah, there is. But a great run by that young man right there, Barry Cooper. 3:18.82. Now let him back it up and try it again.
Yeah, he got a second bite of the apple. He showed that he was trying to get her shut down, and he successfully got her shut down before the 75-foot mark. So they're going to back him up and give him the second bite of the apple. But this time he has to go.
Let's see what he can do. Maybe get that smoke out of that light and bring it all down the track. That looks a lot better. I wonder if it didn't change here.
I'll tell you, at one point he kissed 14 miles an hour.
Well, he did the DQ.
Now he went 14.1.
Yeah, 14.1. Got the DQ, another trip to the mighty Dairy Queen.
All right, we've been informed they did change the sled after the first two hooks, so we're going to bring those first two tractors back. Here comes McCormick. Down the track he goes.
3:11:03.
Saw that thought should be better or something like that, but here we are on the right hand side of the track still.
Right, Kyle Hoffman. All right, 3:05:94. 3:05:94, 13.9 miles an hour.
That's pretty good.
And Marvin Ball. Goes 294.04, 294.04 for John Vanderburgh. Right here. 3:13:39. 3:13:39. Good hook, stay below the 14. Hi, Goose Chase, the wild Goose Chase right here. $292.85, 292.85, 290.
Gets the green light on the sled. We still have some equipment on the far end of the track, so we'll wait till the crew is safely out of the way before we give them the green flag. They look down the track, they say, bring it on, dude.
Hi, Goose Chase, the wild Goose Chase right here. $292.85, 292.85, 290.
Right on the sled, that means the sled is ready to go. Get the green flag from the official, that means the track is all in. He fires it up, brings her up to speed. There it comes.
I dropped the hammer early. And he put in his brother right there and went 288.87. 288.87 right at the bottom.
Here we go. Got under a little bit, but it's jump back, and you play heels, throw some juice to it.
I got a good hook going. 309.24, 309.24 for
Case merged with International and became Case IH. This is back when Case was Case. About a 1973 model this is. But it's doing pretty good. You know, they usually finish up there in the top half of the class anyway.
Oh, yes. Real strong contender, that's for sure. All right, then Curtis Rexon, and then Jody Uppers. I've got another DQ right there, guys, with 14.3, just a smidget.
I think that was right off the line, pretty much. You just turn it into the spring and really ratchet it up in the summer, and boom, here it is together. The last week of July. Here you go, Curtis. Come on.
Curtis Racing. Good hook, yeah. 311.15. 311.15, not quite good enough for number one.
The place, but it wouldn't be fair. Come on, Jody.
There you go, guys. Jody Telford. He's close.
He got right
close.
in there.
312.54. 312.54. I think you're enough for second, but we'll do the looking here, make sure we're right. Got in the big golf and took her off.
Got down there, he's going to be a little bit shy of contention on this one.
294.60.
All right, right on up there.
Anthony. Excuse me. Go ahead.
All right.
Anthony Hunt. .309.16, 309.16, not quite good enough. 309.1 on international. 966.
Here he comes. Bringing her up to speed.
313.39 is what he needs to be. Very, very capable of doing it right here.
Oh,
309.51, 309.51. We'll get the